Sorry. Who you riding with, Cameron or me? Who you? Okay, come on.
Welcome back, Green Train Riders. How was your ride? Glad to hear at this side, please.
Hand that up. Oh, sorry. Hand that up to me.
He's mostly when he's like an adult and a kid.
Here.
All of your hair.
All clear. Blue Train Riders, that all clear means that you guys are going upside down, not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 0 times. Enjoy your ride on the wooden roller coaster with a double-disc Jackrabbit.